Exactly.
I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, alright, we're gonna go over the changes in time. We're all my friends. You are successful. The rewards will be astronomical.
No, I can't.
Yeah. It was a little girl, so.
You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuidado.
Perfect. My two pilots, can you pull up on the yellow tops for me? Awesome.
Hurry now, time is
And
money.
my two engineers, can you pull up for me? Awesome. Hit those flashing buttons to get the ship started, okay, everyone? Good luck.
Flight engineer, repair this. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster, won't you?
The ones on the wall.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those enemy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Fire engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo. Breathe. And pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that vessel. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep bashing those controls. Great, gunners, shoot the train. The engineers keep reeling. The cargo's breaking. Let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough.
Oh no. My collision.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. Alright. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hardware. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Get out of here.